Always a voice that tells us never. Always a fear that we won't win. But there's a dream we've had forever. Here's where our stories just begin. Feet on the ground, head to the sky. Let intuition be your guide. Anything goes, push the impossible aside. Ready to run, willing to fight. Cling to the dream you have inside. It's do or die, and the impossible is possible tonight. Always a hurdle that confines us. Always a hill to block our way. On the ground, head to the sky. Let intuition be your guide. Anything goes, push the impossible aside. Ready to run, willing to fight. Cling to the dream you have inside. It's do or die, and the impossible is possible tonight. Whatever dreams we have, may they reveal themselves and show their strength tonight. Yeah. The fear that lives inside us, may it relinquish with the doubts we have inside. Impossible is possible.